Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I will show you on how to simply turn off two-step verification in WhatsApp. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your WhatsApp. So I'm going to click on my WhatsApp right here. Then having opened up your WhatsApp, next thing you need to do is to click on these three dots on the top side corner. Then go to settings. Then go to accounts. Then go to two-step verification. Then click on turn off. And this is going to pump up. Then click on turn off right here. So it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply turn off your two-step verification on WhatsApp account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.